Hey socialites, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ariell. I create mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle vlogs. So if that's the type of content you enjoy, I would love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Today is already day 14 in Vlogmas, you guys. I'm uploading a video every single day in the month of December. And today we're just gonna be running around, maybe a little bit of shopping. So I'm gonna put on a little bit of makeup and then we're gonna get out and about. After that, we're gonna come back and fix the tree because I still have not fixed the tree and it is bothering me, okay? I did take the ribbon off of it and ended up wrapping it around the stairs. So that's pretty much what our day is gonna consist of. Let's unlock day 14 in our Sephora advent calendar. So 14 is here. It's tough to get out. Okay, so day 14, we have a fragrance. We have Chloe fragrance. I've never smelled Chloe before. I don't smell much, maybe because it's in this little dabber that has a teeny tiny hole. I'm gonna let that sit for a second because it kind of smells like alcohol off the bat. But I'm gonna go in with my Great Skin Instant Glow from Merit. I like to use the Merit products for the minimal look whenever I'm just don't really want to have on makeup but want to perfect the skin. If you've used this before, comment down below. It dries down to look like you have oil on your skin, but it doesn't feel like you have oil on the skin. So imagine if you want that glass skin look, but you don't want to feel it. That's what this gives you. So watery. I put 2 squirts in my hand. And I let this fully dry before I move on to anything else, which takes about 3 minutes. I don't know if I like this Chloe. I guess there's an undertone of fruity floral. I mean, it's okay. It's nothing that I would just run out and want to get, you know? So my nails, one of the things that I wanted to do today was go to maybe Target or Ulta or somewhere to find some press-ons because I just took those red press-ons off last night. But me taking off press-ons is like taking off acrylics, y'all. And I feel like my nails are a little bit damaged. And I have a nail appointment on the 23rd, I want to say. And it's like, do I want to put on more press-ons and damage them before they put acrylics on? I feel like I just need to give them like a good 10-day break before I get them done. But then, you know, I have tutorials to make, so it's tough. Y'all might see me with just regular nail polish because the health of my nails is everything. I had a scare a while back. So yeah, we might just have to go like this until closer to Christmas. So I'm going to use the Merit sticks today to sort of cover the discoloration. And I feel like that's all you guys need to know. So we're going to hurry up and get our makeup done and then figure out what we're going to wear today. Okay, y'all, so this is the outfit of the day. It's just like a brown turtleneck bodysuit with some leggings. These are the super snatch leggings, super thick, super snatchy. I wear these so much. I've told you guys about them so many times, from Fashion Nova. And then my Gucci interlock boots. I wore this because I'm gonna wear a trench today and I don't want to get too super hot. So for fragrance, you guys, I put on the Jolly Gingerbread Village. I've told you guys about this before. It smells similar to ginger biscuit from Jo Malone, and I really, really like this. It helps my ginger biscuit to last longer on the skin, and I'm gonna be out for a few hours and I need everybody to smell me. I wanna be real Christmas time today. And then I sprayed myself and my clothes down with ginger biscuit from Jo Malone. So now I'm gonna go in with YSL Libre Intense. It really brings everything out. This smells so, so good. And then I'm gonna go in one more time with ginger biscuit. So it's finally gotten a little chilly outside, and if I don't wear this trench now, I'm not gonna get to wear it in Houston, so it's now or never. So I put this trench on from Pretty Little Things. It has a hood on it. Y'all, this is a really, really good quality trench. I love the fact that it has like the collar and the hood on it. Just the extra detail sometimes just makes the outfit. Oh, let me show y'all. This herringbone is from Macy's Fine Jewelry. And if you guys, do y'all remember my gingerbread earrings from last Vlogmas? I don't know if y'all can see it, but I have on my sparkly gingerbread earrings. I couldn't wait to pull these out. They don't match anything, but I'm wearing them. It's the holiday season. My little gingerbreads to match the vibe. Y'all see what I'm going for. So for handbag, I put on my little Fendi mini treasure bag just because it's perfect for shopping. It's small, it's lightweight, it's not heavy, and it matches everything. The color just matches everything. So yeah, that's it. Mr's still in a meeting. He wants to come today and hang out. So I'm gonna wait for him to get out of the meeting and we're gonna get out and about. Okay. Hey y'all, so we're headed out. I wanted to stop by Ulta to try out the vanilla oil from Namat. I heard it's really good, so I want to try that. And then y'all know that the perfume sale started yesterday at Sephora. So we might just go look around in there and see what we can see. But AJ, she wants to do a gift exchange with a couple of her friends. Something told me during the Bath and Body Works sale to get a few extra body care sets, like some sweet ones for her friends. But I was like, she didn't mention it. And I didn't want to have extras. I had extra body care from last year and I didn't want to have anything extra. So I bought only what I knew was going to certain people. You know, call myself being responsible and saving money this year, but I should have went with my first mind. So we're gonna check out a couple of stores and see if we can find something cute for her 11 and 12-year-old friends. I think it's like 2 friends she wants to do gift exchange with. So yeah.
it up, yeah. Use it up, yeah. Use it up, yeah. Use it up, yeah.
Okay, y'all, so the strip center that we were in shopping at, we left there and ended up going to the mall because the fragrance that I ended up choosing from the Sephora fragrance sale, it looked like it was opened, like the plastic was off of it and it looked like it was hair on the box. And so I was like, let's go to a different location. So we went out here to the mall and I ended up picking it up there. And then we got some Starbucks. I got the toasted vanilla shaken espresso, which is usually the only drink that I get from there. And then I got Christmas foam. Try the Christmas foam. It's a caramel brulee foam that I got on top of it, which is good. And it's a little spin on it from the regular foam. So try it out next time you go to Starbucks. And so we're kind of running out of time. Got to pick up the kids. So we're just going to grab a quick bite to eat. There's like a hot chicken place close by here that has vegan food. And so Mister's a vegan. And so that's going to be the best option for something fast. And then after we get the kids, we may go to the outlets. A little bit of ways from here is probably going to be about an hour drive. Let's grab a bite to eat. I'll see y'all later.
Like the cool blue light, like the cool blue light, like the cool blue light. 'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love. 'Cause too fresh with the scars. Well, I don't